In this video, you'll learn how to automate workflows in Lovable. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to streamline your processes effectively. Start by navigating to the Lovable website. In your web browser, enter the URL for Lovable, which will take you to the main interface. Ensure that you are on the correct page by looking for the Lovable logo or any introductory content related to workflow automation. Next, locate the prompt that says, "What should we build, Shangri-La?" on the home page. This section is typically situated prominently, inviting users to begin their projects. Click on this prompt to proceed to the next screen where you can explore various projects. After that, find and click on the option labeled All Projects. This selection will direct you to a comprehensive list of all ongoing and completed projects associated with your account. You can recognize this page by the project thumbnails and titles displayed in a grid or list format. Once you are on the projects page, choose a specific project to focus on. Look for the project that best fits your automation needs. Clicking on the project title will take you to its dedicated workspace where you can manage all related tasks and workflows. Now, within your selected project, locate the section labeled Chat AI. Click on this to access the automation tools available for your project. You should see a new screen that provides options for enhancing your workflows with AI functionalities. Next, type Automate Workflow into the input field, provided this action is crucial as it sets the parameters for the automation process you're about to configure. Make sure the text is accurate before proceeding. After entering the text, click on the Enter key to submit your input. The interface will respond by displaying relevant automation options based on your query. Pay attention to any loading indicators that may appear as the system processes your request. Then click on Reviewing Workflow Automation Approaches. This option will guide you through various strategies for implementing automation within your workflows. You should see a detailed overview of different methods available. Continue by clicking on Exploring Automation Workflow Patterns. This section will provide insights into established patterns that can help streamline your processes effectively. A new set of patterns should be visible on your screen. Finally, click on what kind of workflow automation are you looking for. This prompt will allow you to specify your needs further, ensuring that the automation solutions offered are tailored to your requirements. You will be presented with various choices that align with your workflow objectives. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.